आज हमारे ग्रुप में एक स्पेशल फ्रेंड का बर्थडे है। वो स्पेशल इसलिए है क्योंकि वो महिला होके भी हमारे हर पिकनिक में, हर फंक्शन में, जहां भी बोलो वहां वो हाजिर हो जाती है बिना डरे। और ये वही व्यक्ति है जो हमारे स्कूल टाइम में बहुत से लड़के लोग की ड्रीम गर्ल हुआ करती थी, इंक्लूडिंग मेरे भी। तो मैं पहले वही उसको विश करना चाहूँगा, मैनी मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे सविता। बार बार ये दिन आए, 1000 बार ये दिन आए, तुम जियो 1000 साल, गॉड ब्लेस यू। और तुम्हारे बर्थडे पे मैं एक गाना पेश करना चाहता हूँ, भले ही मेरी आवाज़ अच्छी नहीं है लेकिन फिर भी देख लो, सहन कर लो। और वो गाना है ये।
किसी नजर को तेरा इंतजार आज भी है, किसी नजर को तेरा इंतजार आज भी है। कहाँ हो तुम के ये दिल बेकरार आज भी है। हो किसी नजर को तेरा इंतजार आज भी है।
Hi Savi, wish you a very happy birthday. Have a lovely day, enjoy, have a blast, and may this birthday be much better than the last birthday, and may this coming year be much better than all the other years which you've had. And I know you must be already expecting कि हम लोग wish करेंगे, we will all wish you for your birthday, and of course that is a must कि हम लोग सब लोग wish करते ही हैं. So this time, here is a twist. I'm going to sing a song for you. Okay? So here it goes. आज मैं ऊपर, आसमान नीचे, आज मैं आगे, जमाना है पीछे. Tell me, ओ खुदा, अब मैं क्या करूं? चलो सीधी के उल्टी चलो, आज मैं ऊपर, आसमान नीचे. Yes, love you Savi. So, these were some of the lovely memories I've had with you during these past years, and thank you again. मैं बार बार बोलती रहूंगी to you and Satya for creating the group, and especially to you for reaching out again after the school days. And I've really had so much fun with you. I've really got to know you much better than I knew you from school. And thank you for always being there. And as you saw in the song, Aaj Main Upar, so I really hope that you always go ahead in life. May you always succeed in whatever you're doing. You are so talented, you have so many different talents, and I really hope that your talent is recognized and you really go far. And although इसमें ये बोलते हैं कि आसमान नीचे, आज में आगे, जमाना है पीछे, I know you are not the one who wants to make others fall behind and you want to go ahead. You like to take everybody along with you. अगर वो चीज़ नहीं होता, if you would not have that quality in you, I don't think the group would still be there how it is. So that is a very good quality. I have really learned this thing from you, that you let bygones be bygones, and you are like, it's okay. Friendship is more important than anything else. Whatever complications, whatever problems, whatever misunderstandings, you always let go of things, and that is a very good quality in you. Jo, I am still learning from you. It's difficult to, let go of things which you already have in mind. But I really admire this quality of yours. So, love you dear. I always pray that you be very happy. Whatever you do, whoever you meet, everybody who is there with you, may they all make you always happy. And thank you for your friendship. Thank you for being there. Have a lovely day again. Love you dear. God bless you. Bye.
Hi Savi, wish you many happy returns of the day. God bless you.
सैवी, प्लान तो ये था इस बार कि तेरा बर्थडे एकदम धूमधाम से मनाएंगे, और वो भी सब मिलके मनाएंगे. इस बार तो ये हो नहीं पाया, बट नेक्स्ट ईयर डेफिनेटली अपन सब मिलके तेरा बर्थडे धूमधाम से मनाएंगे और सब लोग वहाँ पे रहेंगे, ये तो पक्का अपन करेंगे. This year, just I'm wishing you right now a happy birthday and Savi, have a great year ahead.
Hey partner, wish you many many happiness of the day. May God bless you with all the happiness, good health, good fortune. अभी तेरी स्थिति में मैं क्या बोलूँ? You know how my opinions are biased with regards to you. If I want to describe you in one word, that one word will be amazing. Amazing because of the friendship, but because of the equation that you share with all your friends. Just I want to say one thing and have a wonderful year ahead. Many many happy returns of the day once again. Bye.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday. God bless you, dear. May all your heart's desire be fulfilled this coming year. And what else can I say, girl? I mean, the wonderful times that we've had together as childhood friends are never going to be erased from our mind. And the other day, as I was talking to you, we were chatting about Onam, and all those beautiful memories just flooded back with you, me, and Gudu. So I just feel, Sabi, those beautiful childhood memories are one of the best phase of my life, and just want to thank you for being a part of my childhood memories. So God bless you, and may you have a wonderful and fantastic year ahead. Love you so much. Bye.
Many, many happy returns of the day, Savi. May your life be filled with loads of love and happiness today and always. Enjoy your day. God bless you. Bye.
Happy birthday to my most beautiful, giving and dearest friend, Savita. Savita, I love you so much, and I tell you this every other day. But today, I have to tell you a big thank you for doing so many little things, big things, making my ride in Bombay so smooth and so enjoyable, giving me company every other day. And how can I forget days on the beach when we would see the sunsets and lie down on the beach. That was Rajat. He has to talk when I talk to you. But nevertheless, love you tons. May you get all that you desire, more than that you desire. You deserve so much more. And I just know that the best is yet to come for my dearest, dearest Savita. I love you. Thank you. There is so much that I learned from you. Bye.
Oh, तेरा हैप्पी बर्थडे, तेरा हैप्पी बर्थडे. आज तो पार्टी जब तक फटे, नाच पजामा पकड़ के फटे. हैप्पी बर्थडे सविता. May God bless you. May you get everything that your heart desires. May you have a healthy life, and wish you all the very best. May you have a wonderful year ahead. Happy birthday.
Hi Savi, here's wishing you a very happy birthday. Unfortunately, because of this pandemic, we haven't been together. वरना ऐसा कुछ मौका नहीं होता कि बर्थडे में हम साथ नहीं हो. लेकिन the world has come to a standstill. But nevertheless, all my wishes, my concern, my care, and my love is still there. I wish you once again a very, very happy birthday. I just want to pray that, sweetheart, you're always there in my prayers. I wish you more of a love, more of a joy, more of a success. I wish you all the happiness in the world, and whatever your heart desire. May this get fulfilled for you. I wish you best of your health, and always keep on smiling, because you know what? You are in my prayers. Though we are not in you're not in my arms together to hug and tell you a kissy that I love you, sweetheart, that it's your birthday. But nevertheless, I'm still going to do a virtual hug to you. You're going to smile after looking at the video more wider. I mean to say more wider, so that contagious smile should keep on going on. And एक छोटा सा गाना गाती हूँ तेरे लिए. एक तेरी यारी का तो साथ सातों जन्म हकदार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं. Just a छोटू attempt. I can't sing as good as what you, but just I had tried it. So once again, a very 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 happy birthday. Have a good year and a great day ahead. Love you. Take care. Bye.
एक लड़की थी दीवानी सी, दिल की सुना करती थी, कितने भी कर दो प्लान्स कैंसिल, फिर भी नए प्लान्स बनाती थी. सही लव्स चुने हैं तुम्हारे लिए सभी. Many many happy returns of the day, Savi. I will not end this video just by these wishes, Savi. 2 lines from my heart. I've known you for last 7 years and I've had the best memories with you. The best trips that we had together. The best thing that I like about you that you always follow your heart. You've never left your passion in these last 7 years that I've known you. You've grown every day as a person, as an individual and as an artist. So love you, wish you and have a great day and a great year ahead. God bless.
Hi, hello. You know I'm not very good at this, so all what I have to say is wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. I don't know when we are going to meet, when this gets over and when what will happen. So hopefully all this gets over soon and we meet soon and we can have our coffee and whatever together. And yeah, so wishing you a very happy birthday. Have a very nice day and bye-bye.
Hey, happy birthday, Sav. I wish you lots of love, hope, happiness, joy, peace, all throughout the year, forever and always. Thank you for being the real you at all times. May God's presence be with you forever, sweetheart. Sending you smiles for every moment of your special day, and I really, really hope and pray hard that this super special 40th birthday brings you all that your heart desires. Enjoy and have a blast.
Hey Savita, wish you a very happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day from here down under. Have a great year, have a great day ahead, celebrated with your loved ones virtually, and I don't know what the plans are if you're allowed to meet, but have a great day ahead. Happy birthday once again, my dear friend. Bye-bye. So Savita, here's again wishing happy birthday from Orla and Leo. Obviously I couldn't miss them out in our video, could I? Have a great birthday, have a great year ahead, and happy birthday from these two as well.
Hello Savita. Happy birthday. कैसी हो? खुश हो? खुशी रहो हमेशा, and be healthy also. Okay? So once again, I wish you a very, very happy birthday. And always be safe. Keep wearing mask also.
Hi Chichi, happy birthday, love you.
Hi, Vellima, Vellicha, Sushilata Chichi, ellarkum oru velliya hi. And Sarada Chichi, happy birthday. പിന്നെ ആരാ ഇതിന് ഒരു എഫേർട്ട് എടുക്കുന്ന അവർക്ക് ഒരു വലിയ താങ്ക്സ്. പിന്നെ ഇവിടെ
ഹലോ സവിത, ഹൗ ആർ യു? വീട്ടിലെല്ലാവരും സുഖമല്ലേ? ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ ടു യു. മേ ഗോഡ് ബ്ലെസ് യു.
അപ്പൊ പിന്നെ എല്ലാവർക്കും ടാറ്റ. ചേച്ചി ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ, ലവ് യു.
Hi Savi, it's birthday time again. Happy birthday to you. It's been so many years. Time is passing by so fast. There used to be time during our childhood days when we used to, not every year, we used to wait for the days to meet each other during the vacation time, moving out. जब हम सभी ट्रैवल करते थे, एक गांव का एक टाइम ऐसा होता था जब सब मिलते थे वेकेशन में और साथ में खेलते थे. Those days are gone now. आजकल के बच्चों को तो पेड़ पे चढ़ना, खेलना ये सब है नहीं, लेकिन very sweet memories we have of our childhood days. Now it's been years. It's a different time, and especially this birthday, is very different. Staying at home. Fortunately, you're in Dombivli now. So, and I wish I was there. Sushil is there, so I'm sure it's gonna rock now, right? I always wished कि one of your birthdays I was there and थोड़ा धमाल करेंगे. So definitely there is something going to happen. At least this time is going to be with your family members for sure. So it's going to be different. It's not noisier. It's going to be quiet, but it's going to be busy. So stay awake, stay well. I remember the days when Bombay were boosting Kolkata, and I used to come to see you guys on all Sundays. And mom ka khana, terrace पे जाके time spend करना, बातें करना. Those days are gone, but these are the moments we cherish. हमेशा वो छोटी-छोटी बातें, those funny moments, it'll be always in our memories. And I am sure as every birthday comes, the reservoir of the memories, it keeps adding on. And the most pleasant and the memorable moments, including this birthday that you're going to celebrate now, will be added on to the memory list. Stay well, stay safe. The kids have a message for you too. Hold on, I'm getting on to the kids.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarkis. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sarkis.
Keep it short and simple. Happy birthday. I know it's not the best year to celebrate a birthday, but I know you'll still make the best out of it. I hope all the plans that you have works out well for you. I hope the plans that we have made together for the both of us works out well too. Let's see how that goes. I hope you find what you're looking for in this whole blue world, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. Have fun if you can still have it right now. Take care and happy birthday once again. I love you. Cheers.
Wish you many, many happy returns of the day, Chichi. May God bless you. Stay happy, stay blessed. Keep smiling always. Love you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे चेची, मे गॉड ब्लेस यू. आपको तो मालूम ही है कि मुझे आपका आवाज कितना पसंद है, बट मैं चाहती हूँ कि पूरा दुनिया आपका आवाज सुने, बिकॉज I think your voice is one of the sweetest voices I've ever heard, and not just me. अम्मा भी यही बोलती है कि कितना मस्त लगता ना, कितना स्वीट है ना उसका आवाज. So I really hope कि पूरा दुनिया आपका आवाज सुने. एंड आप जो टेस्टी टेस्टी यमी यमी फूड का फोटोज डालते हो इंस्टा पे, आई रियली होप कि जल्दी मैं, श्रेखा चेची, जूली चेची, हम सब आपके घर पे आ पाए और आप हमें सब टेस्टी खाना बना के दो. आई मिस यू, आई लव यू सो मच. हैव अ ग्रेट डे अहेड. बाय.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Chechi. Keep smiling as always you do. I know we can't party this time, but we will surely meet soon. I love you.
Hi, Savita Chechi. Many, many happy returns of the day. God bless you. And we didn't have much time to meet this time from Bombay, but I promise like next time we'll have a very good time together. And I'm so happy that I'm part of your family. Like we all are one family, so I'm so happy and blessed to be with you. And we will have a very good time, and we are super hardcore fans of your works. ചേച്ചിയുടെ വർക്ക് ഭയങ്കര ഇഷ്ടമാണ്. ശ്രേയ എപ്പോഴും എനിക്ക് ഓരോ വീഡിയോസ് അയച്ചിരുന്നു ഞാനും കാണാറുണ്ട്. And it's really good. Really good means like I've never seen like anyone doing so professional. Like voice acting ആണെങ്കിലും ഞാൻ ആക്ച്വലി ഒരുപാട് വീഡിയോ ഗെയിംസ് എൻജോയ് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ്. അപ്പോൾ വീഡിയോ ഗെയിംസ് എൻജോയ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അതിൽ ഈ ക്യാരക്ടേഴ്സിന് എന്താ പറയുക, ഫീല് കൊടുക്കുന്നത് ഒരു വോയിസ് ആക്ടറിനെ സംബന്ധിച്ചുള്ളത് വലിയൊരു ടാസ്ക്കാണ്. സോ ഇമോഷൻസ് കൺവേ ചെയ്യാന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇറ്റ്സ് വെരി ഗുഡ്. and your work is really, really amazing. Keep doing like awesome stuff like that, and we will meet you very soon, and we'll have a great time, all of them. Bye bye. And one more thing, happy birthday.